Commerce.AI is an unstructured data intelligence platform. So we work with enterprise customers, automating their workflows. Through the Pegasus program, we were able to close almost $1 million worth of deal. There were two types of deals. One is the deals that were brought in by the Microsoft infrastructure, the Pegasus program, and the Microsoft reps. And the other type of deals were the deals that we were nurturing. We were talking to customers, almost wrapping up POCs and navigating the purchase process. What made a big difference is that now customers, when we started talking, their eyes lit up and they were able to really recognize that this startup is someone that they should be able to associate. Having that Microsoft brand of approval make a big difference, and we were able to close these deals. Many startups struggle when it comes to enterprise sale. They struggle with locking these large deals. When they do a purchasing decision, they're looking for checks. They're looking for reputation. It's difficult for startups to really bring that in. When you're part of a Azure family, you're part of the Microsoft for Startup family, you can now explain to customers that you're part of the stamp of approval from Microsoft, and for us, it make a big difference. The other thing is the logistics behind purchasing process. When the enterprises purchase, they already have contract with Azure, for example. Instead of trying to come in as an additional vendor, going through existing contract removed all the friction in the purchasing process. Working with Microsoft for Startup helped us understand how enterprise customers look at new innovative products and how they purchase these new innovative products. So for example, we were doing a pilot with one of the large pharmaceutical companies, and the idea was to take their speech, their calls, and use Azure to transcribe that. When we got into the program, we quickly connected to Azure OpenAI and explained to our customers that it's now part of Azure and Microsoft. And that gave them confidence to really close the final thing where they were seeing great results, but now having that Azure brand, the Microsoft brand behind the intelligence, the GPT-3 and OpenAI intelligence, gave them confidence about the comfort, the safety, the reliability part. And so we were able to close that big deal. What makes Microsoft a strong partner? Microsoft has the widest enterprise install base. When we going into the market, enterprise market, having that relationship with the customers made a big difference. For us, we were entering into regulated industry healthcare, and so having the Azure perception of compliance, reliability, scalability, and responsibility, that was a big difference for us when we built on Azure. Working with the Pegasus program was a big game changer for us when it came to go-to-market acceleration. I cannot thank the Pegasus team and the program enough. We were able to really accelerate our go-to-market strategy and specific tactics, so thank you.